Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to find your transaction history on Cash App. So let's jump right in, guys. So first things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up a Cash App on your mobile device and just log in with your account credentials. Make sure you're on the home screen. Next, guys, what I need you to do is I need you to tap on the clock icon, which you'll find at the bottom of the screen. This is basically the activity tab. So where you can basically view all your recent transactions. All right, here you'll see a list of all your transactions, including your payment sent, payment received, and even the pending ones. So to actually get more details, guys, about a specific transaction, you want to simply just tap on it, and this will show you the exact date, the exact amount, and the recipient details. So if you actually need a full statement of your transaction history, you want to just tap on the profile icon on the home screen. Then just scroll down and select statements. And from here, guys, you can download or email a detailed, history for any specific month. And that's it, guys. You have successfully accessed your Cash App transaction history. And guys, if this tutorial was helpful, guys, don't forget to like the video, smash that like button, guys, and subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions. And I will see you guys next time.